Hey family, you're welcome back to the channel. If you're a master or PhD student in Brazil or you intend to study here, this video is for you. Starting your program is exciting. You're in a new country, a new university, a new academic reality. The stipend looks comfortable at first, everything feels fresh, but let me be honest with you. Good planning is what determines how you will finish, not how you start. So this is the hidden reality that nobody talks about. There comes a moment, usually in the 6th to 8th last month of your program, where reality is. Your stipend feels smaller, your research is heavier, deadlines are everywhere. And suddenly you start thinking, what ends after this program? This is where many students begin to panic, not because they are not smart, but because they didn't plan early enough. So today, I want to save you from that panic. If you plan to stay in Brazil after your degree, you must immerse yourself now, not later, not when everyone's desperate. So the first thing, I want you to start learning Portuguese right now. Join conversation groups, volunteer, watch Brazilian news, listen to local podcasts, because language is your access point to jobs, networks, and opportunities. If you can speak the language, it multiplies your chances. And if you don't, you limit yourself, no matter how good your degree is. So start building the right connection. Connection are everything. Start attending seminars, workshops, academic events, and industry meetups. Let your professor know your interests. Talk to people in your field. I would even want you to say hello to professionals who visit your lab or visit your school, visit your program, join online communities. Nowadays, people recommend people, not series. And the earlier you start, the better position you will be when your program ends. So listen, one of the planning you must put in place is financial planning. Your stipend is not a salary, it's a support system. So if you spend everything as soon as it comes in, the final months of your program will frustrate you. School will end, but your bills won't. So I want you to make a simple budget. Plan your expenses, save something every month, even if it is small, because when the degree ends, you need stability while making the next move. Also, if you want to stay in Brazil, don't wait till your last month before you start making this plan. First, strategize. Start your job search early. Reach out to companies before graduation. Your research group might even have industry partners. Talk to them if possible. Then number 2, explore possibility for extension. For example, if you are doing master's degree, look for possibility of you doing your PhD. And if you are doing PhD, look for extension opportunity that can make you to do your postdoc. Is part of the strategy. And you can also look for research positions, because Brazil loves continuity. If they know you, they trust you. If they trust you, they consider you. So start those conversations early. Don't wait. If you need to talk to your professor for possible PhD position, if you need to talk to your professor for possible postdoc position, start making those moves right now that you are still doing the master's or while you are still doing the PhD. Also, we've had cases of people planning to come to Brazil with the intention of going to another country after their graduation. So if that is your plan, look for scholarship, research course, postdoc, or jobs program before you finish, maybe in another country. Many deadlines close months before graduation. So start preparing your CV, your recommendation, your documents. Give your future a direction. Don't let the end of your program surprise you. There are so many opportunities that can even take you to Canada, to the US, to other parts of the world in Brazil. So start making those research, start speaking to your professor, speaking to colleagues for possible opportunities. They may be there beside you, but if you don't ask, you may not know. Don't forget that information is power. If you have it, you are empowered. Another thing I would like to mention to you is that you should think long term. Your master or your PhD is just the foundation. What you bid on it is up to you. Do you want to stay in academia? Do you want industry experience? Do you want to switch to countries? Start preparing now. You must think beyond the certificates. Think about the career. Think about the legacy. Think about life you want after that degree. I was listening, I stumbled on a video of one of the comedians in Nigeria of recent, and he was saying that he preferred to employ someone with a skill rather than someone with a certificate. Am I saying that certificate is bad? Far from that. But I'm just saying that right now, your degree, your master's or your PhD degree is just the foundation. You can build another skill on that can even fetch you more money than your degree. So start doing all of that. Now there are so many opportunities that you can even take advantage of while you are still a student that we enroll for free compared to when you are not a student. So make sure that you explore all these opportunities. They are around you, but you need to ask. If you don't ask, nobody is going to tell you. So you must think beyond the certificate, think about the career, think about the legacy, think about the life you want after that degree. Remember that you didn't come all the way to Brazil to graduate and be confused. You came to grow, to evolve, and to transform your future. So plan early, learn the culture, master the language, build real connections, save your money, and position yourself wisely. The end of your program shouldn't bring fear. It should bring opportunity. And if you follow these steps, trust me, your next chapter will be bigger and brighter than you ever imagined. So this is what I have for you in this video. If you find it informative, I want you to like and I want you to share it with someone that is in Brazil, your friend or someone that is planning to come to Brazil. If you are yet to subscribe, I want you to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.